Okay, so here we have our Wacker Neuson Compactor. This is going to be the next item to perform our maintenance to. So we're going to be storing this long term for the winter. So the first step that we're going to be doing is draining out the old gas. So Neil is about to open the valve and drain the gas.
First you turn off the gas switch to the left here. You undo this little bit underneath here. I already loosened it with pliers, so. There we go. Funnel under there. Open up the gas valve. And there she goes. Alright. So, Wacky Ferguson, we're gonna change it, check the air filter, make sure that it's not clogged up and dirty. If it is dirty, you clean it in a solvent of some sort, gasoline, something, let it air dry really good. Take off the swing nut on the top to get to it. Pull out this off this top cap. There's your filter. There's another wing nut that holds the filter down in place. Take that off and you pull the filter straight up. This filter here is pretty clean, just a little bit dusty. Beneath there is an actual filter. This is just a breathable cover to help cut down some of the dirt that would get in and clog up this filter. This filter is pretty clean. We haven't had this unit more than a couple of months, so it's been run a few times. There's a little bit of dust on the outside, so I've blown that off. We'll put her back together, and that's it for this. We're going to check the Wacky Ferguson. We're going to pull out the spark plug and check to see if it needs to be maintenance. Here, pull out the boot. The spark plug is sitting inside here. Put your special 13/16 spark plug socket on top of that. And there you go.
Now the spark plug should be checked every 100 hours of use and cleaned. So here we have our spark plug. It's looking pretty clean, pretty good.
We'll just give it a quick scuff with the sand just to clean it up a little bit, because that's where it gets carbon buildup and reduces its ability to spark properly. And we're just going to go and put that right back in. No further need to do anything to it. Alright, so Wacky Ferguson has a fan belt. It's a belt, not actually for a fan, but it runs a harmonic balancer down here. You can take off these 3 bolts, remove the cover to inspect the belt. If there's any cracks or uneven wear, then you need to replace it. Tension is pretty good, so it doesn't need any adjustment in the tension. And the belt looks like it's in excellent shape.
We want to inspect the belt every 20 hours of running the machine to make sure there's no damage. And it looks here that we are good to go.
Alright, so we're going to drain the oil in Wacker Neuson. And you'll notice down here you have the plug for checking the oil. So the oil dipstick. We'll loosen that. Oil's coming out, so we're going to put that back in for a minute. Drain plug is right below it. I'm going to pull that drain plug. We got to let the oil run. We're going to try and catch as best we can here.